is good, YouTube? It is Tristan here, and today we are going to be doing a video of the rebuild of, guess what? My favorite team, Golden State. This is on my phone, so it won't have the best graphics. It's kind of like an Xbox. But without further ado, this is the updated team. But this isn't updated, it's the 2019 one. 2018-2019. And I will be doing some of these rebuilds, but right now, let's just go in and see if Golden State wins a championship. Wait, first, let's make a trade. Let's go Trade Finder. I don't want just Cousins. Abby Ball. We have Jimmy Butler and Amir Johnson for Clay. No. Man, I'm giving nobody respect. Oh, no. No. Alright, I was just seeing what trades we could get, but obviously not. That's kind of sad. I already got a trade. Draymond Green, 87. Damian Jones, 72. For Mason Plumlee and Jamal Murray. No. Decline trade. Simulate game. Wait, hold on. No. We lost to the Suns. First game of the year, we lost to the Suns. How the hell? Excuse my language, I am sorry. But Troy Daniels for Draymond Green. No. Jacob Evans got hurt, I don't really care. Some of the game. Dub. Kemba and Lamb for Curry and Clay or Curry. Let's decline that trade. Kevon Looney, back spasms. We lost. We're 1-2. Alright, so right now we're not doing the best. This Golden State team sucks. We have a losing record. Jordan Bell. God dang. We're having... Probably because of all these injuries. We're already having a shoot ton of injuries. I should have turned injuries off. Okay. Bubba. Bro, we're 1-3. We're 1-3. Alrighty. Oh, and you're asking why there's so many off days? It's because I'm doing a 14-game simulation. He sprained his groin. Alright, this simulation is going pretty bad, but we are supposed to win the championship the first year. We aren't. We're 1-3. We're 2-3. Okay, this is pretty... Oh. Yeah, I'm sure it was, but I'm getting really frustrated. If I see you win the season anymore, I am rapping. Sorry. But yeah, we're 2-3 right now. The record, it says record under team chemistry. And we have 100 team chemistry. Okay, we're 3-3 right now. That was game 6. Oh my god. Oh, we're facing OKC. They're 4-2. They're 91? Who the hell is on their team? Paul George? Hold on. Manage roster. Who's on their team? How is this team a 91 overall? How is this team a 91 overall? Their highest player. Westbrook's a 96. George's a 90. Curry's a 93. You know what? Let's move Curry to shooting guard, and he should go up. Let's see what his is right now. He's a 96. Alright. So, if we could trade, we need a good center. We could put Draymond. Oh, hell no. If Draymond goes to center, would he be See, look at these graphics. They're freaking horrible. Will he be a high overall? He was 86. You're kidding me. He's the same overall. Oh my god. He's the same overall. Let's trade Jordan Bell. Trade Jordan Bell for Dwight Howard? No, he's 88. Maybe they'll do it. Maybe. Trade. What is their... Oh my god, we don't even have enough money. Oh my god. Alright, let's just go simulate the whole year. Until the All-Star break. So, I make videos on my phone, and I don't know how to edit them, so the person who watches this, could you tell me how to edit on my phone, because I just don't know how. Because I kind of want to edit for you guys. I feel like that would give me more subscribers. But I don't know. There's going to be a part 1, and maybe there's going to be a part 2. So if the video stops randomly, I'm sorry, because there's my screen recorder time. Last time I stopped at 24 minutes. But I'll be filming the second part today right after as well. So I'm going to start uploading every single day. Yeah. Just hope you guys like it, because I promise. Put the motherfucker down and look, shit, man. After I get done simulating to where I simulated to the All-Star break, where we have an even record. We're 3-3. We're not doing so hot. We're probably. Should I play a game just to show you guys how bad I might play a game. No, you guys don't want to sit through a 30-minute game. Okay. They're 4-3. Jeez. Okay, we have a winning record now. I still don't know how they're 91 overall. That makes no, they're 7-0. What? They're how? Alright, we might lose this. I'm not about to lie to you guys. We're gonna lose to the Houston Rockets. They haven't lost a game, and it's at the All-Star break. Dear God. They're an 87. We took the dub! Let's go! We beat an undefeated team. Holy sh! By like 40 points. To Clay. No, I'm getting all these freaking horrible ass trades. In this game, there's not even a 3-point contest. Alright. Let's go simulate the game. I don't care for All-Stars. I don't care for the All-Star weekend. The Lakers are horrible. They're an 84 though. So I feel like now we're 5-3. Alright, I'll play this game since it's East versus West. I don't care. I'd be wrong. Hopefully Curry's in this. VC Award, one player named All-Star. God dang it, only one player. It's probably Kevin Durant. The Snake. Kevin Durant's on my favorite team, and even I say he is Snake. That's straight facts. Yeah, so I mean, Snake, am I right? Snake, am I right? Westbrook, Harden. Okay. Davis. Okay. Let's see. LeBron. You see, told you Kevin Durant. 27 points a game. LeBron's having a whopping ball hogging career high with 31 points per game. Oh, wowzers. Can't believe Curry didn't even make it. And Curry's good. Oh, it's 6-minute quarters.